I'm honored to be able to give a speech at my brother's wedding as it is such an important milestone in his life with someone he truly loves. When looking back at the memories and the moments growing up, I think that really helped us grow together was making videos together. He would then edit the videos and add Naruto music in the background, which is what we always watched together. And now he has multiple tattoos of it on his body, self-made, of course. So, nonetheless, moments like this helped form the relationship we have today. Because moments we spent together doing things we enjoyed that helped shape the brotherhood we have today in our crazy, creative ways. I can tell that this relationship is special, one from the start. I wish you two nothing but the best for the rest of your lives together. Thank you everyone for coming to this wedding, listening to me talk on behalf of Matthew and Alex. The night isn't over yet, so let's make it a special one.
Hello everyone, I'm Caitlin. I'm Alex's maid of honor and best friend. Alex and I have been a number of things together, roommates, cat saviors, pet buddies, and from the start, tennis partners. We share a passion for Taylor Swift, Trader Joe's, and running chronically late. And now Alex has someone else she can do these things with. Matt, thank you so much for bringing so much joy and light into Alex's life. There will forever be a twinkle in her eyes for you. I wish the two of you a life filled with laughter and love. And I want to end this speech with a quote from a famous love poet. And you might know this. And isn't it just so pretty to think, all along, there was some invisible string tying you to me. Taylor Swift. To Alex and Matt.
Aww. You look so pretty.
I vow to always make a cup of coffee for you when I make coffee for me. Always. To also go on any crazy date idea you have for us, even if it's outside of my comfort zone. I was thinking of skydiving when I wrote that, and I was like, I don't know if I could do that, but
Good.
here we go. Yeah, we might have to, actually. I vow to grow and learn with you as we evolve as people, because we're so young. I vow to watch all of Naruto with you.
You heard it.
Yeah.
You said it.
I vow to take care of you whenever and however you need it. I vow to always celebrate Halloween with you and go all out. I vow to share all knowledge, possessions, and moments with you. I vow to support you in all of your endeavors and passion projects. And I vow to be patient, to trust you and your judgment, and love you through any hard times ahead in our future together.
You start me off crying. All right. I'm not as good at reading, so I'm just going to try to talk mine. So, Alex.
Oh, you really?
I'm going to try. I'm going to start off with my best friend. A lot of people talk about couples being polar opposites. I think if people know us, we fit that stereotype pretty well. Even through that, all our love, passions, interests, and hobbies, they're pretty much the same. It's really awesome. That gave me an epiphany to understand what a soulmate is. The soulmate is your other half. The soulmate is the person that completes you. I think where I lack in patience and compassion, I hope I make up to helping us learn and plan.
Yeah, I got the other half.
Yeah. You keep me planted, especially when I need it. And you help me go through life not so objectively. So often, pretty much every day, we laugh, argue, go through the whole life spectrum, every single day of our life. But no matter how many times we move, travel, all the adventures that we decide to go on, I can't really call it home unless I'm with you. That's the fact. So, if you promise to continue to be patient with me, and you continue to love me through all my faults, then I promise to always put your health, your safety, and your happiness before anything else.
Who gives this woman to be married to this man?
I'm her father, I do.
Oh, we hug.
Believe you, sir. I stand relieved.
Do you take Alex to be your wife?
I do.
Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, forsake all others, and holding only onto her forevermore?
I do.
And Alex, do you take Matthew to be your husband?
I do.
Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, forsake all others, and holding only onto him forevermore?
I do.
Okay. Matthew, Alex, please place the ring on Matthew's left hand and repeat after me. As a sign of my love,
As a sign of my love,
that I have chosen you,
that I've chosen you,
above all else,
with
with this ring I be wed.
this ring I be wed.
And Matt,
That's me.
please place the ring on Alex's left hand and repeat after me.
Okay.
As a sign of my love,
As a sign of my love,
that I have chosen you,
that I've chosen you,
above all else,
above all else,
with this ring I be wed.
with this ring I be wed.
You may kiss the bride.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Alex and Matt, these are tips I have to make your marriage last a very long time and forever. Have tons of patience. Be kind and sweet to each other, compassionate to each other. Have some willpower. You have to get through some tough stuff, but you can do it. And always have love and compassion. And that's it. Really, that's all it takes. You can do it. Love you guys. Mom.
Hey guys, I'm not much of words, as you know. I just want to wish the best in the world, and I couldn't ask for a better daughter-in-law, or daughter now. And good luck for all your future, and I'm so proud.
Me too. I'm so happy for you guys. Matthew, I love you. Alex, I love you too. You guys, this is so wonderful. This is your happy day. We will remember this day forever. It's an awesome day, and just be happy and have a wonderful life together. Love you both. Mom.